Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com and welcome to another episode of Lingo for Etsy sellers. So today's Lingo is what is organic traffic. The reason why I'm doing this short tutorial is because I did get a question about it, and I told the person I will go ahead and do a short video on organic traffic. So organic traffic is, I think, my favorite way to drive traffic. I think for majority of people is the best and most preferable way to drive traffic to their Etsy shop. And organic traffic basically is when somebody goes to Google or any large search engine like Google, Yahoo, Bing, or the Etsy search results, and they type in, let's say, wedding sign, and then your product shows up. They click on it and they end up visiting your Etsy shop. That is called organic traffic. You didn't have to do anything besides SEO, and you didn't have to pay anything for that. And that's why a lot of people prefer organic traffic, and that's why a lot of people work really hard on doing their SEO correctly, making sure that you are ranking for keywords that are high on demand but low in competition, in the sense that not too many people are using them and that they're easy to rank for, that you will be able to appear in the first, maybe second page of the search results, but the first page is the best page to land on, because that actually you will get the most traffic from. A lot of times when you have organic traffic, if you are on the third or the second, third, or fourth page, you won't get as much visible or as much traffic as if you were in the first page, because a lot of times people won't even go to the second or third, unless they're looking for something very, very specific. So they need to check those additional pages. But organic traffic is what majority of people strive to get. Like I said, it comes from using SEO on page and off page factors, and is visitors coming from search engines, such as, like I mentioned, Google, Bing, Yahoo, or the Etsy search results. So hopefully this video was somewhat educational. If you like videos like this, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. I'm trying to build a community where we all help each other. Any questions you guys may have, little or small, I mean little or big, if I could answer it, I will do my best. Make sure you leave a comment below with any feedback that you have about organic traffic. That way we could all grow and learn from each other. If you feel like I didn't talk about something that is important about organic traffic, make sure you leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.